We're the community service crew. I'm Lyric.
Nick, Cadence,
Terrace.
Will,
Robbie. Mr. Wood visited our classroom. He talked to us about how he made a difference in his journey as a community volunteer from Boy Scout to firefighter.
this inspired us to make a difference by helping our community reorganize the penny drop.
Watch our movie and see if we reached our goal. We got dollars!
Yes!
Serious?
Yeah, there are $3 in there.
Whoa!
More than three.
Okay, let's put in $6.
Wow, we got some money. Got some money.
We really want people to have nice homes and all of that, because some people's homes are still getting worked on to be built.
Pick it up.
In here.
Now we have
to count the money.
8, 9, 10, 20.
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Where are the dollars? She has some.
I got the same thing.
Next.
It's a banker. She's a banker. She's a banker.
This is so.
$15.
25 and 50 cents.
Oh, put
Switch bankers.
My turn. No. This is one more. We finished it.
But we have still more pennies count, so it's gonna be exciting. So we'll have way
So
too.
we'll have
I know it will be so awesome when we get everyone.
So let's everybody will get a house.
Hey guys, let's all do our happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance.
It's easy to make a difference.
We would like to gift this check for $251 to Miss Molly for ReBuild Waterbury.